All right, today's video was unexpected. I went to Giftland to go try to pick up my laundry and it wasn't ready yet. So I went ahead and went inside up to the food court to get something to eat. And I noticed a place called Delicate Restaurant that had a very unique dish. So that's what I'm going to try today. All right, so I got the sushi pizza, which I've never heard of, never seen. But it looks like it could actually taste pretty good. So I definitely want to try that out. And then I got their Alaska roll. All right, so I'm going to try the sushi pizza, which that's the dish that I was the most excited about. Never seen it before, never heard of a sushi pizza. So really curious as to what it tastes like. It actually looks really good. And it looks like a lot of food. I don't remember the price each, but I do remember the total for both was 8,500 Guyanese. So couldn't tell you right now if that seems fair or not, but I know sushi and all is usually not a very cheap dish to try. But I also want to see that it was at a food court in a mall. So I'm curious to see if the quality is still, like restaurant quality or if it's food court quality. So curious to see. But I think the price was fair for what you get. And once again, this is a lot of food. I won't be eating all this. This is definitely 2 meals worth of food easily. But sushi pizza, it's a salmon sushi pizza. They offer it also a tuna and a veggie, just in case you're curious or don't like salmon or whatever. So they did offer 3 different types. Also went with the Alaska roll. It also has salmon. I think it's avocado, spicy mayo, eel sauce it looks like, and a fresh jalapeno on top. So I think that's should be pretty delicious. They also give you sides of soy sauce, spicy mayo, ginger, and wasabi. So I think they pretty much cover all the bases that you need in order to enjoy some sushi. So the obvious choice would be to dive right into the pizza, but I think I'm going to just try a roll first just to get started. Yep. Yeah, it's actually a really tasty roll, regardless if it's a food court or not. It's just good. It's a good roll. Now that I've tried that, I am looking forward to this sushi pizza. I do need some soy sauce though. I love soy. So I think that's just going to take it over the top. I think that's exactly what it needs. It's a very good roll. You get the nice breading on top. It has salmon mixed into that breading. So it has salmon and all actually in the roll and also mixed in to the little breading that's on the top. So actually, you get a very generous amount of salmon in the roll. That's why I think it's a very fair value. Like I said, I don't remember the exact price each, but for 8,500, it seems very fair for this amount of food, especially when we're talking about this much salmon. Try one more here. Yeah, that's very good. Maybe I should put a little more spicy mayo on it. So let me try to add a little more spicy mayo because that's always good on drizzled on top. Probably was supposed to do that already. Add a little soy. This should be a very good bite. After this, we'll go ahead and try the pizza. All right, that should be a good bite right here. Look how good that looks. Here, let me try to get a little closer to you so you can actually see. That's a good looking roll. Very big too. Like that's a big piece. And you got 8 pieces like this. So good size roll. I'll definitely be going back here to try some other stuff. That's good. If you know any other good sushi spots in Guyana, leave that in the comments, please. Big fan of sushi, so would love to try just different qualities of sushi, anywhere from the food court to whatever restaurants y'all may have that have good quality sushi. All right, let's see what this pizza is all about. It's kind of funny because they actually cut it like a pizza. So didn't even realize that when I first looked at it. They also have seaweed on top. It's good. Little seaweed. It's pretty cool. They use that same breading, and they have the rice in the middle. So I guess that's making your crust. And they pretty much have that same topping that was on the sushi that I just had, that has the kind of like a panko breadcrumb with the salmon in it. That's good. They also have, looks like some mayo, like regular mayo, put down first on top of the rice. You can barely see it here, just a little bit of white mayo. And I'm not sure if that's eel sauce or what kind of sauce that is on top, but it's pretty basic, but it looks like it could be really good. So I want to add a little spicy mayo. That's typically just mayonnaise and sriracha. Not sure how they make it here, but that's pretty common in most places. And then of course you got to do the, you got to have the soy. All right, let's try it. It's pizza, so you eat it with your hands. That's actually really good. Another very good dish here. I'm making a mess. I'm a very messy eater. Yeah, it's crazy too. I figured the rice would be real gummy, but it's really not. It's still, you can see the individual grains of rice. It's not gummy at all. It actually is holding together nicely. They have, it's definitely a lot of rice, so it's going to be very filling. But I still think they give you a generous amount of the salmon topping. It's a lot of panko in there, or that's what it appears to be. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it advertised the, what is it, Tabiko or something like that, which are the fish eggs. But I don't think that's what this is. That looks like more of like a panko breadcrumb with the salmon just mixed into it. But I could be wrong on that. Also has sesame seeds sprinkled on the top. And I think that's about it in there. Yeah. But all in all, yeah, it's very good. Crispy. A nice crispy pizza. All right, well, I really didn't think this would be my next video, but I just, I couldn't help it. I saw something that I thought was unique and just felt I should share it to you guys in case you may not have heard of this either. Because it's kind of tucked away at the food court on the second floor. It's not in the main food court at Giftland. It's kind of in the back off to the side. So if you're just staying in the main food court area, you would never see it, so you would miss out. But if you like sushi, want to try sushi pizza, highly recommend. Go check out Delicate Restaurant.